Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Heart Macaron Mat is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any home baker looking to elevate their dessert game, offering a unique and charming way to create perfectly shaped macarons with adorable heart designs that are sure to impress your friends and family, making every bite a delightful experience and adding a touch of romance to your baking creations. Number 5. HOTPOP Reusable Macaron Cookie Sheet Set. This set includes 2 half sheets and 2 quarter sheets, designed to fit most standard cookie sheets. They store easily, flat or rolled, saving you precious kitchen space. Say goodbye to oils and parchment paper. Our mats provide a non-stick surface for baking cookies, macarons, and snacks with fewer steps and less cleanup, reducing waste. Food simply lifts right off the non-stick surface, making cleanup a breeze. You can wipe them clean or pop them in the dishwasher for busy families. Built to withstand repeated use, these baking mats are designed for durability. They pair perfectly with your favorite cookie sheets for all your everyday baking needs. Made from high-quality silicone, each mat offers a dependable surface for all your baking endeavors. Enjoy family recipes, holiday treats, or school snack prep without needing extra tools. What we like? This set offers a variety of sizes to fit different baking sheets, making it incredibly versatile. It also allows you to bake with less grease and mess, simplifying your cooking process. If you're looking for a convenient solution for everyday baking with easy cleanup, this is a great choice. What people say. The mat is made of food-grade silicone, which is safe and durable. The non-stick surface makes it easy to release the macarons. The imprinted guidelines help to create uniform macarons. Number 4. HOTPOP Piping Bags and Tip Set. Introducing the HOTPOP Piping Bags and Tip Set, a comprehensive 17-piece baking kit. It includes everything you need for successful baking, from reusable bags to essential accessories. Designed with macaron lovers in mind, this kit ensures your creations are consistently shaped and perfectly baked. Achieve professional-looking macarons with ease. Enjoy baking without the mess. Our non-stick silicone supplies make cleanup a breeze. Simply rinse or pop them in the dishwasher. Beyond macarons, this versatile kit is perfect for shaping cookies and creating intricate designs. Explore endless creative possibilities with various tip styles. Crafted from durable materials, it withstands extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. This kit is built to support both beginners and professionals. This set also comes with 2 half-size baker mats, measuring 16.5 x 11.5. They provide a non-stick surface for even baking and easy handling. What we like? This is a comprehensive kit designed for macaron enthusiasts, providing not just the mats but also piping bags and tips for perfect shaping. It ensures your macaron creations come out consistently shaped and well-baked. If you are a beginner or a home baker specifically looking to master macarons, this all-in-one set is ideal for you. What people say. The mat is made of high-quality silicone, which is food-grade and BPA-free. The non-stick surface makes it easy to release the macarons without them sticking. The imprinted guide helps create perfectly sized and evenly spaced macarons. Number 3. Bluedrop Silicone Baking Mat and Oven Liner Pack. Discover the ultimate baking solution with our premium set. It includes everything you need for perfect results every time. This pack features a high-quality silicone baking mat and a versatile PTFE oven liner. Both are designed for your convenience and baking success. From delicate macarons to crispy cookies and even savory dishes, these liners handle it all. Their non-stick surface ensures easy release and cleanup. Crafted from food-grade materials, they are safe for temperatures ranging from -40 to 250 degrees Celsius. Plus, they are reusable, making them an eco-friendly choice. Enjoy effortless cleaning with their non-stick properties. Simply wipe them down after use, and they're ready for your next baking adventure. These liners are designed to fit standard half-sheet pans and can be cut to size. Their durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. What we like? This pack uniquely includes both a silicone baking mat and an oven liner, offering protection and versatility for various baking tasks. The patterned surface with circles makes icing and shaping effortless. If you need a multifunctional set for baking, roasting, or even dehydrating various foods, this combo pack is a practical option. What people say. The silicone mat is non-stick and easy to clean. The heart-shaped molds create perfectly uniform macarons every time. The mat is durable and can withstand high oven temperatures. Number 2. Aprince 2-pack silicone baking mats. Introducing our premium baking mats, designed for the highest quality baking. These reusable mats can be used thousands of times, making them a perfect gift for any occasion. Enjoy perfectly even cooking every time, without any uneven browning. Flavors and odors won't stick, ensuring your food comes out delicious every single time. These mats are incredibly durable and can withstand temperatures from -40 to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. They are safe for microwave, oven, and freezer use, making them a versatile kitchen essential. From cookies and pastries to bread and meats, you can bake anything on these versatile mats. They are perfect for all your favorite recipes and are a secret tool for every kitchen. Cleanup is a breeze. Simply wash with warm, soapy water and air dry. Say goodbye to messy cleanups and hello to sparkling clean baking sheets. What we like. Built for longevity, this mat is reusable over 4,000 times and resists flavors and odors, ensuring your baked goods taste as they should. It's also microwave, oven, and freezer safe, making it incredibly versatile for all your baking needs. If you're a frequent baker who needs a reliable, long-lasting mat that's safe for the whole family, this is an excellent investment. What people say. The mat is made of high-quality silicone, which is durable and easy to clean. The non-stick surface ensures that the macarons do not stick to the mat, making them easy to remove. The mat has pre-marked circles that help in creating uniform-sized macarons. Number 1. Silicone baking mat with macaron template. Achieve perfectly shaped macarons with our silicone baking mat. It features a pre-printed template for consistent results. This mat measures 15.3 by 11 inches, providing ample space for your baking creations. It includes 35 circles, each 1 to 1.2 inches in diameter. Beyond standard circles, this mat offers optional heart and bear ear templates for fun designs. It's suitable for both oven and microwave use. Enjoy easy cleanup as nothing sticks to its non-stick surface. Storing it is also a breeze, saving you valuable time. Crafted from food-grade silicone and fiberglass, it's non-toxic and safe for all your food. It can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius and be used over 2,000 times. What we like. This mat features pre-printed templates, including charming heart and bear shapes, making it incredibly easy to create perfectly sized and shaped macarons every time. Its non-stick surface ensures effortless release and quick cleanup. If you love decorative baking and want to add a touch of fun to your treats with minimal fuss, this mat is perfect for you. What people say. The mat is made of food-grade silicone, which is safe and non-toxic. The non-stick surface makes it easy to release the macarons. The pre-printed heart shapes ensure uniform size and shape for each macaron. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.